How's it, guys? So we are here by Shaun, busy with the wire tucking of his car. I'll drop in some cinematics in between, but he basically took a couple of things off, welded a couple of spots off, and grinded some brackets and stuff off. I'll take you through the car now before he washes the engine bay. They're prepping it for spray. But yeah, I made this little. Ik eet nog haast fijn. Waar is die ding? Die pot.
Excuse?
Die pot.
Die pot? No, we don't smoke pot, yeah, sorry.
Oh. So, I made this gauge pod.
En het loopt kak.
Ja, zo wees, kijk naar die.
Hij pot lekker.
Hallo, is jouw head al gefixt al? Huh? Is jouw head al gefixt? So I printed this for him. It's a prototype Mk2 turbo gauge pod. It's gonna go in here.
Hij pot lekker.
So he's gonna fit these. What is he? What's a gauge is what you gaan sit?
Oil pressure.
Oil pressure gauge is gonna get in there. And we're also busy working on a bracket for his Zetronics. And he's obviously doing all the rewiring and stuff. So Shaun, vat ons gou hier vinnig deur.
Hoe sê jy?
Vat ons gou vinnig gou deur.
Goeiemôre, my naam is Shaun. En welkom hierso by
Ons vang kak aan.
ja, I don't know what we're doing.
Hij kak het nou in mond.
Okay, so it's 11 in 1. So wat ons nou maak is nee, ons is nie besig met 'n engine flush showpiece kar nie, dit bly nog steeds my daily. So this was meant to be done 2 years ago, and then it ended up being 1 year ago, and now it's ending up being this year's job. So ek het nou natuurlik net brackets afgehaal, en die brackets het ek al vir jare lank nie meer gebruik nie. So ons maak nou net die engine by 'n bietjie
En hulle het die Soul Fabrications ook daar ingeweld.
'n bietjie meer 'n bietjie van 'n clean-up in die engine by. Hopelik kan ons môre begin sprei. Gaan net die engine by 'n bietjie van 'n refresh gee. En natuurlik 'n wire tuck, so die loom kom nou uit, die loom kom nou hier deur die fender. Dan gaan hy nou hier aan vasgemaak word onderdeur. En ja, dan sorry geselle vir ons.
Ja, is dat gerauwe?
Laat jy net hier optrek.
Pull up here. Pull up here. Just on the sidewalk.
Weet jy die pad net? Sorry.
Racing to the finish line, seatbelt, fast whips, got a win in mind. See me when I skirt off, ain't no 10 in mind. Friends keep saying slow down, should've seen the signs. Riding down this dirt road, where we going, I don't know. God, please protect me, I'm halfway home. Take the wheel right now, I let go. Thinking about the ones to let go.
My kar is veilig, waar sit die engine by? Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Okay, so ek doen nie
Full wire tuck.
nee, ek doen wire tuck, maar ek doen nie full flush.
Shaving.
Yes, ek maak dit net skoon. Het hier en daar 'n paar gaatjies toegemaak en 'n paar brekketjies afgesny en allemaal uitwol dinge. But is not gonna be a full show car. Dat is nog steeds my daily. So ons is net besig om 'n lekker clean-up te doen en almal die shit wat die gebruik word, die sny ons af. We gaan ons die engine by bietjie mooi maak, wire tuck doen, car rewire en carburetor opsit.
Fight in Jovies vra of hy lekker na sy lyfies baby sit daar so.
Mans kom nou hier op ons af. Ons gaan dit nou maak 1300 carburetor. because
Right, wil ik short of nog?
Ja, want
Met 100 shot op nos,
ja,
ja.
want hy wil my 150i dice langs aan hom.
yes,
And make it what? Make it acceptable.
make it acceptable. Yes, I need to make it 1300. So I can make the same power as die one. Ik kan niet die man vandaag vatten, maar die man vandaag is al geroep.
Ja,
So what we're doing is we just basically, this is something that's been going on for die laatste 2 jaar wat ek al dit gedoen het. En elke keer as er iets wat voorkom en ons kom er al buite. And I just decided, you know what, let's do it and get it over and done with. So ons gaan hom net 'n bietjie just give it a bit of a clean up en maak dit 'n bietjie mooi. There's no modifications being done, don't understand me wrong. Ons gaan nie cams en ons gaan net die engine 'n bietjie optrees en 'n bietjie mooi
en
maak.
die throttles, ga jy die throttles terugsit?
Wat is throttles?
Het jy throttles gekoop?
Carburetors gaan ons terug.
Ah,
Ons gaan nou 13 aan elkaar bereik.
lekker stukkie 36 DC die.
Nee, so ja, ek gaan my throttle bodies terugsit, maar dit gaan net oor die looks en advertisement vir die werk. Dit gaan nie oor big horsepower whatever jy dit noem nie. Because it's still a daily in my water as well, so we can't modify this thing. So it's just about getting the engine bay nice and neat. Make it look apart.
Kalani Motor Show is also around the corner.
En dit is hoekom ek dit doen. So I wanted to do it last year for the Kilani Motor Show. I never got to it. So I just decided, no, let's do it now. Give it a nice clean and yeah, a refresh. Get the wires out the way and just make it look a bit more decent, and then hopefully I can stay like that for a while.
As jy nou kyk as hulle reg is, ja.
So yeah, just wanted to look a bit more apart to the rest of the car, because the engine bay wasn't up to spec, so ons probeer hom net 'n bietjie mooier maak.
But yeah, so we're basically gonna vlog this entire journey with Shaun. Like I said in the previous video, I am on leave, so we're gonna pop in here on a daily and just follow the progress. So that tomorrow ne, spray hulle die engine bay.
Ja, môre maar.
So tomorrow afternoon they're spraying the engine bay. Unfortunately, I won't be able to be here to follow that journey. We are busy detailing my car, or Fabian is going to detail my car tomorrow. Fabian. Ek gaan die iron remover aanspray. So I'm gonna get the car by Fabian tomorrow, polish it up, get it ready for cars and coffee, because I need to stand on the Honda showroom floor as one of the neat EGs. I don't think the car is that neat, but yeah, they wanted me to come through. But other than that, we'll probably post a couple of vlogs now the next couple of 2 or 3 weeks, and then yeah, let's hope everything goes as planned and I don't have any challenges this week. But other than that, we see you guys on the next one. Cheers.
He say, she say, they say.